Has this ever happened to you? You try and save some money at the grocery store by buying store brand Tater Puff things that, yeah, they're going to be just as good, right? They're not quite, are they? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. And I'm going to do my infomercial voice for some stupid reason. Ha ha! No, I'm not. Okay, so the thing with these is they lack flavor and they lack texture. When they don't get as crispy, they don't have that wonderful bite to them, but I'm going to show you how to fix this super quick. We are just going to take these and put these into a bowl. Just any old bowl will do. Regular old bowl. See, it's not a false bowl. Solid bottom, not a magic trick, I promise. We're going to put the desired amount of Tater Puffs in here. Now what we're going to do is going to seem a little weird. Hold on. Yeah, okay, we're going to do this. I have some just regular old vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil, something like that. We're just going to give this a little drizzle and a toss, and a little drizzle, and a toss, and a little drizzle, and that is perfect right there. That is going to be fantastic, but what is all this stuff doing sitting here? Well, this is the flavor component. These are just a couple simple things. I have some granulated garlic right here. Garlic powder will work, garlic salt will work, something like that. You just want a little bit, not a lot. You can experiment with this. It's probably best to ramp up flavor, then go, wow, that is way too much, and then try and chase it back down to figure out. So just go light the first time you try this and figure it out. Onion. Oh, potatoes and onions, they go together so well. So a little bit of onion powder goes on this right here, onion powder. Paprika. Okay, has anybody ever had the seasoned curly fries at Jack in the Box or something like that, or Arby's or something? Well, a lot of paprika in that. Okay, we are going to put a little bit of salt on these too already. I know, that's weird. Normally you salt at the end, but since there's oil on this, it's going to cling to it and it's perfect. Just give these a good toss. There you go. And if you want to, this side looks a little bland. I'm going to put a little bit more that on there, a little bit more of this. Just kissing it with flavor. Kissing it with flavor, folks. That's all we're doing. Super quick. A little more than a kiss with that. A little more. 2 more grinds of that. This is going in the oven, 450, 25, 27 minutes. And we'll be back in a second. I will show you how good these look. All right, folks. It's quite a cacophony of noise going on with the deep fryer going over here at the moment, making some crazy chicken sandwiches, but these are our Tots. These look amazing. They look beautiful, and they are fresh out of the oven, and I am not putting one of these in my mouth right now. But if you want, these do get a little bit toasty on there. You can turn them over halfway through if you want to. Put in the oven down to 425, just cook them for a couple more minutes. The paprika will turn a little bit dark on you, but it still tastes great. But that is how you make Tater Puffs delicious. And yes, I need a new oven mitt. Finding one to fit this hand. That's a good trick. But yeah, there's your secret. That's it. Sorry about the comments with that. Anyways, there you go. Cheap Tots taste great. See you on the next one. Bye.